I got this fabric bag from Dollar General. It was $3. And I started by removing the handles. So I took my rotary tool and I have my cutting mat underneath, and I just removed both of the handles. I then took a pair of scissors and I just cut open the bottom of the bag, and I just went directly across. I took my hot glue gun and I have some Surebonder fabric glue, and I closed the one end of the bag. I then took my rotary cutter and a straight edge, and I just took off a little extra material from the bottom. I got this 12 by 16 inch pillow insert from Hobby Lobby, and I stuffed the pillow inside of the bag. And then I closed up the other end. I have these small clips that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just used them to help hold the seam closed as I glued it. So I just put one in the middle here and started on the right side of the bag and just used my Surebonder fabric glue to close this end of the bag. Now, if you wanted the pillow to come out so you could switch out the pillowcase, then you can get some of the Velcro to put on the end so that it can open and close. And now we have the bag closed on both ends, and we have a pillow here. So what I did next is I found this pom-pom garland from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99, and then you get the 50% off the Christmas decor. And I just took my Surebonder fabric glue and I went along the top of the pillow and I glued the pom-pom garland. And then I went down the side and I just wrapped the garland around the entire pillow. And I think the pom-pom garland just added an extra touch, and it also just helped hide any imperfections in the shape of the pillow. And again, I'm using Surebonder fabric glue to hold everything closed and put the pom-pom garland on. And there we go. Now we have this really adorable Santa pillow. And they also had the black and white gingham pattern. And the bags were both $3. And I did the same thing for the second pillow, but this time I left the bottom a little longer so it was easier to close. So we're just going to use our Surebonder to close the top of the pillow. Stuff the pillow inside, and then I just left this fabric a little longer so that I could just fold it in half and down on the glue, and that was much easier than the first pillow that we did. And then I took my pom-pom garland and I went around the entire pillow. Now, if you cannot find the pom-pom garland at Hobby Lobby, they have a fabric section, and sometimes you can get strands of tassel, and that would look really cute as well. And there we go. Now we just have these fun Christmas Santa pillows made from the Dollar General fabric bags. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out some other tutorials on our webpage. Have a great day.